Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of feeling disorganized and scattered with your social media content? Well, you are in luck because today I'm sharing my favorite tool for keeping all of my ideas, scripts, and links in one place, the Boards app. In this video, I'll be showing you how I use Boards as a notes app to streamline my social media workflow and stay focused. Whether you are a content creator, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to get more organized, this video is for you. So let's dive in and get started. Now, before we get too deep into this video, I would like to ask you to please give my channel a follow, like this video, and let me know at the end of it, what did you think of it? If there's anything else that I need to explain a bit more or that you did not understand. For this version of the video, I do not have the paid version of Boards. You can, and then you will have more access to other resources as well. But for mine, I'm using it for the free version. Now, when I started to use this app in 2021, I was able to have a lot more boards. Now, what does a board mean? It's basically a folder. That's the easiest way I can explain it. Inside is like a folder on your computer. So I had important links and boards for charm jewelry, mad about me, favorite people, everything. But now, for on the free version, you only allowed 3 boards. So if you do start with it, decide your 3 main headings for your content or your info that you're going to save, and create one board for it. Because inside of each board, you are allowed a lot of folders. So my first board that I created was my online girl boss, because that is my brand. So what did I have? Now I have a folder. This is folders, the ones with that my ebooks, sites to use, Amazon recommendations, websites, LinkedIn. When you want to create a folder, what you're going to do inside of a board, you will be able to say add. Inside of this, you can now go and say add text, add an image, add a link. Video you can only add on a pro version, add a PDF, or add your YouTube or Vimeo, or create another folder, and then you are able to create a web page, which will basically be this one is I create a web page. It's like a little link in bio that you can add. So here's what I do. I did charm jewelry at the stage. So I explained what it's all about, and it's free to join. Then you can say download. You can put download links in here. You can put links to your WhatsApp group, or you can put a sign up link there. That was because I'm an affiliate for them as well. I did dew point at the stage. So I was explaining about dew point, so you can add images in this web page. Here was a video, and you can add your WhatsApp. Here I said digital marketing. I had the Canva Accelerated course. Here what it's all about, and the link to that product. Here I do affiliate marketing. I promoted this course. I put a little bit out here, and I said check me out. I did virtual assistants. I said what I was looking for, and I created a guide on top 20 trending side hustles. Here you can put your WhatsApp number, you can say schedule to Calendly, or you can put your email address and they will be able to email you. So it's a web page, like they said, something that someone that's doing MLM or something like that will do, and you can share this as a link as well. If you say share, then it will give you a link. Okay, so but now I don't focus on that anymore. So inside here I have all of my important links. So I am somebody that constantly needs to share my Instagram link or my TikTok link or my Facebook link, and so I created a board for me that has all of my important links in there. As you can see, VI Mastery was my course that I did. um, so here I have Instagram. There's my Instagram link. All you do when you want to add a link is say add, link, you paste your link there, you say next, you will be able to have an option to save the link. So let's say I want to put my um, website link in here. Um, Apologies, let me just quickly go look for it. Um, Important info. So I will copy my website's link. Now I will go and say add a link, paste the link. I say next. You can then put a title here. Sometimes it does automatically add the title, but in this case it didn't, so you can add a link there. Then when you go at the bottom of your page, there is your link. So this was my board, my folder with all of my links. Here is my folder with the courses that I want to do. So this is very nice. When you go on the internet and you see something, a profile or something, and you want to add the link, you can do that. Here is my link in bio. So I do all of my content. So currently the easiest way for me, so I'm an affiliate, I'm a digital marketer, I'm an affiliate for a bunch of programs and products. So here is the Legends, Jonathan Montoya's courses, and I'm an affiliate for them. So I put all of my affiliate links here. I will then go and say, okay, I want to create posts for this. So I will come and copy and paste my posts in here. So it's an all-in-one platform for you. But let me utilize, so I am promoting the digital growth community by far. So let me say what I have done here. So yeah, I have gone and I've actually organized it a little bit more. So when I started, I wasn't very organized. So I'm working on getting it more organized. So I am saying that, okay, so my posts. I use ChatGPT to generate posts for me. I will then go and copy and paste my posts on here. Why do I do it like this? Because I have the Boards app on my phone as well. So if I sit on my phone and I quickly want to post a Facebook or Instagram or TikTok post on my phone, from my phone, then I will just go onto the app, and then if I paste it here on the computer, then it will be on my cell phone as well. I can just go and copy and paste. That is what makes it so nice for me. I started to create a folder for my scripts. So here all my scripts is saved. So it's so much better for me than going and creating a Google Doc that you need to go and scroll all the way down. Here is all of my, we do free ads. So here is my video that I'm going to add to my free, my YouTube video. Here is my free ad posts. Here is my Google Docs spreadsheet link that I utilize to make sure that I post to the correct sites. Here's another YouTube video that I add to my link. And if you really want to, you can come inside of here and add, where's my free ads? Where's my ads? Where's my ads? Ads. You can come in here and say, okay, please let me add an image as well. Because what's nice about this Boards app, but you do need the professional for this upgraded version. You can utilize it as a Microsoft keyboard or a Google keyboard, and you can actually go and directly just press and paste immediately. Instead of just like me copy and pasting, you can go and just paste from your keyboard. The same with a picture in Facebook or what of that, you will just press on the picture and it will paste or post it automatically for you. But you do need the upgraded version for that, so I'm not going to go into much depth for that. But now, as you can see, you can save video links here, you can save Google Docs spreadsheet links, you can save posts here, you can save your images in here. So that makes it extremely nice if you're planning your content. So as I say, I have a lot of ideas. Here is my Instagram. So I have a program that's called the product that's called the zero income plan. So here I have gone, because I want to copy and paste sometimes from my phone. I have created the post in on the boards app. So I can just go on my phone and copy and paste. Because it's a PDF, I just went and created it now for me to copy and paste from the boards app. Also, we do webinars. There's my Pinterest. I've already worked out my Pinterest pins, wording, titles, everything. Um, my carousels. I've worked out my So this is a very nice way for you to keep your social media organized. You don't have to create a Google Doc or a spreadsheet or anything like that. You can just come on here and put every post on its own little folder thing. Also, we did webinars. So I would share the webinar links with people. I just come in here, paste the link. It's one space. I don't have to go into YouTube every single time and then look for the link. The links is already here. So anything that you find important, you can save the link, you can save the courses, here is the LinkedIn posts. So anything on here. I started my YouTube channel. Yeah, I created a folder for my YouTube channel. My channel art is on here. My videos, important videos is on here. So you can add text. So that would be like the posts I created with the heading and the text. You can add an image, you can add a link, you can add a PDF, which you can then also just share. You can add a Vimeo, and create a folder and create a web page. And as I said, you can access it on your computer, you can access it on your cell phone, because there is an app inside of the Google Play Store. You can download it and you will have access to it anywhere, anytime. I hope this was very helpful. Please let me know if there's anything else that you want to know. Again, please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video to anybody that you think might like it. And then I'll see you on the next one.